The 2025 Toyota Cross Cruiser marks the return of rugged capability with modern sophistication. Blending Toyota's legendary off-road DNA with contemporary design and advanced tech, this mid-size SUV is engineered for drivers who want adventure without sacrificing comfort or innovation. It's bold, capable, and built to lead in its class. Exterior design. The 2025 Cross Cruiser flaunts a muscular, boxy silhouette reminiscent of classic Toyota SUVs, paired with modern LED lighting, a bold front grille, and aggressive wheel arches. It rides on 18 20-inch alloy wheels with available two-tone paint options and roof rails that add to its adventure-ready persona. The design strikes a balance between retro charm and futuristic flair, making it stand out in both urban and off-road settings. Interior. Inside, the Cross Cruiser is spacious, tech-forward, and practical. It offers a premium experience with soft-touch materials, an available 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Optional leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a multi-zone climate control system enhance comfort for all passengers, while fold-flat rear seats add versatility for cargo-heavy trips. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Cross Cruiser features a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering strong torque and improved fuel efficiency. Paired with Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system and terrain management modes, it's more than capable off the beaten path. The ride is smooth and confident, whether you're on city streets or rugged trails. Safety features. Safety is a top priority, with Toyota's latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite included as standard. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Structural reinforcements and up to 10 airbags provide peace of mind for every journey. Market position. Positioned between the RAV4 and full-size Land Cruiser, the Cross Cruiser fills the gap for drivers seeking serious off-road capability in a more manageable size. It competes directly with models like the Ford Bronco, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and Land Rover Defender 90, offering a compelling mix of heritage, durability, and modern amenities at a competitive price point. Outro. The 2025 Toyota Cross Cruiser is more than just a new SUV, it's a bold statement from Toyota. Whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring wild terrain, this SUV delivers the performance, comfort, and confidence to take on anything. If you're looking for an adventure-ready vehicle with legacy and innovation, the Cross Cruiser deserves a spot on your shortlist.